Hi students, good day! Today our topic is all about writing numbers. But before we proceed, let us check your skills in reading numbers. Let us see if you can read the following numbers. That's great! Very good! Now, let us proceed to writing numbers. A number can be represented in three forms: in standard form, in word form, and expanded form. Do you have any idea about these three forms? Now, join me to study the following examples for you to find out their differences. So, here are the examples. In standard form, as you can see, the number is expressed using symbols. And then, in expanded form, it is done by getting the value of each digit and then separating it using the addition sign or plus sign. And then, in word form, we simply write the number into words. Okay, now let us learn on how to change standard form to word form. So, here we have to remember the following rules so that it is easy for us to write numbers in words. Write the number like as how you read it. Start reading from left to right, followed by the name of periods without S at the end. Do not include the name of one's period. Use comma to separate each period. Use hyphen to separate compound numbers or the two-word numbers such as 21 to 99, except the numbers 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And then lastly, observe the correct spelling of the words. Okay, now let us apply the rules in our examples. So, first we have 89,078,600. Let us now write it in words. 89 million. 89 is two words, so put hyphen in between 80 and 9. Then after million, you have to put a comma. Next, 78,000. 78 is two words, so put hyphen in between 70 and 8. Then after 1,000, we have to put a comma. Then lastly, 600. This is how we write 89,078,600 in words. Let's have our next example. 102,615,912. Okay, let's write it in words. 102 million. After million, we have to put a comma. Then, next group, we have 615,000. After 1,000, you have also to put a comma. Then, we have 912. So, this is how we write 102,615,912 in words. Let's have the next number. 5,007,931. How do we write it in words? So 5 million. After million, you have to put a comma. Then 7,000. After the word thousand, you have to put a comma. Then 931. So 31 is two words, so you have to put hyphen in between 30 and 1. And this is how we write 5,007,931 in words. Okay, let's have the next number. 87,999,345. Let's do it in words. 87 million. 87 is two words, so you have to put hyphen in between 80 and 7. Then after million, put a comma. 999,099 is two words, so put hyphen in between them. Then after 1,000, put a comma. Then we have 345. 45 is two words, so put hyphen in between 40 and 5. And this is how we write 87,999,345 in words. Let's have the last example. 707 million. Write it in words. So after million, you have to put a comma. Then 8,000. After 1,000, write a comma. Then we have last number is read as 11. And this is how we write the number 707,008,011 in words. And those are all the examples in writing number in words. So remember to use hyphen to separate two words number. For example, 27. We use comma to separate each period. So put comma after the period names million and thousand. Let us proceed in word form to standard form. So we will make the word forms into symbols. Okay, in writing numbers from word form to standard form, write the numbers from left to right. Use comma or space to separate each period. So, in my examples, I will use comma to separate each period. Let's have our first example. 567,200,112. Let's do it from left to right. So, 567. As you can see, we have a comma there, so we will also put a comma after that. Then we have 200,000, so 200, then comma, and last number we have 112, and we write it like this. Okay, so this is how we write it in symbols or standard form. 567,200,112. Next number, we have 9,009,919. So let's start from 9 million. So you write it like 9, then comma. Then we have the next number, 9,000. So you cannot write it like digit 9 only in the period, so you have to add 2 zeros before 9, then comma, don't forget it. Then the last number, we have 919. So this is how we write it in standard form. Next, let's have 40,017,003. So let's do it from left to right. 40 million, 40, then don't forget to write the comma. Then we have 17,000. As you can see, we only have 2 digits in the second period, so we have to add 0 before 17 to make it 3. Then don't forget the comma. So the last number is 3. Since it is only 1 digit, you have also to put 2 zeros to make it 3 digits. So this is how we write 40,017,003 in standard form. Let's have 330,801,564. Okay, let's have 330 million first. So 330, then comma. After each period, you have to put a comma. Then next, 801,000. Then of course, after 1,000 is comma. And the last one, we have 564. And so, this is how we write it in standard form. Okay? Do you have any questions in writing numbers in words in standard form? Let us check your understanding. Answer the following. You may write your answer in your notebook. Write the following numbers in words.